Hi friends, now we have gigabyte motherboard EH610MH V3 DDR4 motherboard, and also we have Intel Core i5 14th generation processor, and we have 8 GB DDR4 RAMs, two RAMs we have, and 2 TB NVMe SSD is there. Now we are going to install it, assemble it. I will show you how to install the processor, board, RAM, and NVMe. I will show you one by one. Okay. First we will unbox it. i5 processor. In the box, this is the processor. This is the i5 14th generation processor. Okay, and inside there will be a fan. This is the fan, Intel fan. This is original fan. This is. Next, we will open the motherboard. This is the H610MH V3 DDR4 motherboard. It is. In this feature, CPU support Intel Core 14, 13, 12 generation processor. All these features is there in this board. Okay, now we will open this. In the box we will get SATA cables and port panel. Okay, now we are trying to open the motherboard. In the board there is a HDMI port option is there, and also VGA port is there, two USB ports, four USB ports, two 3.0 and LAN ports. Everything is there in this feature, in this board, and also there is a NVMe slot also is there in this. Okay, and also we got the USB 3.2 option is there. Now we are going to install the processor. This is the processor. In the processor, there is a notch is there. Need to be identified here. There is a notch is there here. Okay, the same notch in the motherboard also. There is a notch is there here. We can see this notch and this notch has to be in the same position. Okay. Now the two notches are in the same position. Okay. Now the processor has been fixed. Now like this, the processor has to be installed, and then this is the time to install the fan. This is the fan. In this fan there is a four switches there, need to be fixed in the same position. Simply need to be press it. 1, 2, 3, 4. like this need to be fixed. 1 2 3 4. Okay, and this fan need to be connected like this. Now we are going to install the RAM. Okay, and we have one more RAM is there. Need to open. Okay, and this one. Sorry. Like this need to be fix the RAM, and now we are going to install the 2TB Kingston NVMe. Okay, this one I will show you how to install. There is a notch is there here. Need to be need to be removed like this. It will come, and then neatly connect this NVMe slot, and then simply fix this, and then insert the notch. That's it. Now the processor, RAM, NVMe, everything has been installed. Okay, thank you.